welcome to Splotch Code. In this mini lesson, I'm going to show you how you can use the control command called if then. So what we have here, we've got our dog and I've got some code written for him that says when the green flag is clicked that he's going to walk, and we've got him walking some steps and new costume inside of Forever, so it will look like he's walking by walk 10 steps, change costume, walk 10 steps, change costume. And he will just walk along the page. Let's have a look at that. Great. But he's just going to keep on walking like that. So let's pull him back and let's say what we want to do now is say to him, when he touches the cat, something has to happen. That's where we can use an if then. So let's bring in an if and then statement from our control. So what we'll do now is we'll go to sensing and we'll find touching. And we place that over the little hexagon there. So if he's touching the sprite number 1, which is the cat, so when the dog is touching the cat, then I want him to go back to where he started from. So I'll make that minus, he's going to go a minus 100 steps backwards. Okay, so if he's touching the cat, then he will move back 100 steps. What I'll do is I'm going to place that inside our code here. So it says he's going to walk and keep on walking, but at any time he touches the cat, is going to go backwards. But no, because that's all in a loop, then he'll start again and he'll start walking again. So let's have a look at that. He touches the cat and he goes back. So it's using the statement, if touching the cat, go back. And that's exactly what's happening. So that's how you can use an if-then command within Scratch. You might want to also have a look at our mini lesson, which shows you how to use an if-then-else command. Thanks for watching Splotch Code.